Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable or enable sources or input on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button on our pilot. It's located right here. And now to navigate this menu, you'll need to press the arrow keys in the middle of your pilot. So let's navigate to the settings and press OK. From here go to the right and find System. Press OK to confirm it, and from here you can move down in order to change sources. Press OK to highlight after it being highlighted, and you'll be able to change the input from enable or disable it. For example, disable HDMI 1 input. You can disable it or edit its name if you plan on specifically use it for something. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.